a video of my Anycubic Kobra Max with its inability for the sensor to actually record what's going on and sense pressure. So we'll go through, we will do the leveling, try and auto level. So now tool to touch. And I'm pressing there quite firmly, and on the screen we still haven't had anything recording on there. Again, pressing firmly on the nozzle, far more firmly than I would normally press when it works. Absolutely nothing being registered. Right, and that's a solid touch on there. There is the blue light showing that everything's working and powered up on there, but nothing's occurring. And we have our cabling connected, and that's going up and around, across, all neatly wired up, and then that's going underneath the machine. So coming out across here and then into the control board, and I'm just going to open up the control board now and show you how I've plugged it all in. This is the control board, and we can see just here is where I've plugged in the print head assembly. That's all powered up. Let me just turn the power on there. It's all powered up, working happily, but the pressure sensor still isn't detecting for the auto leveling. So we can try this again. So here is my sensor. We'll go through, we will level and auto level, and again, even though it's on a side, I'll get a tool and we will press the pressure sensor there, pressing the pressure sensor quite firmly, not stupidly hard but firmly, and again still nothing is detecting on the pressure sensor calibration. Yeah, so I think the pressure sensor is working correctly, but something, my gut feel is it's somewhere in the main board here, isn't connecting. If I wiggle this wire often enough, this wire just in here often enough, I can for a moment get the pressure sensor to work, but it will detect the pressure being pushed on the sensor, but it won't do the 25 point auto leveling correctly. It'll just on the first point, it will just drive the print head straight into the print bed. Okay, thanks. I do hope you can help me out here. My gut feel is it may be something here in the motherboard, because I think the print head is fine, the cable appears to be working fine. We're just not getting the correct information coming through on the sensor. Thanks. Okay, I've just managed to get the sensor to detect with a light touch on there. I'm just waiting now for the machine to preheat. So we have the print bed just there, and we'll wait for that to preheat now. Right, the sensor's just about to finish the preheating. There we go, and let's have a look. And right down onto the print bed, and here's our error message.